Good day, Mommy Sir. I'm Jessa Montejo. I'm 33 years old. I live here in Manila. My work experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. I work in Yonglong with 2 adults and 1 kid. I'll do car washing, laundry, cooking, and bring the kid into school. I'll prepare the kid food and I'll bring her to all activities. When it comes to work, Mom and Sir, I always have initiative and time management when it comes to work. I am patient, kind, and kid lover. I rate my cooking skills is I rate in 8. If you hired me, mommy sir, I promise I will do my very best to make you satisfied every day. And even um no employer inside the house, I'll do my very best to do my house chore and I'll do my